Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Kharata. I'm a student in China, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Before we get into this video, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do so now. So please click that red button below and click the bell next to it so that you get notified every time I post a new video. So guys, today is Tuesday. It's currently 11:34, but I've been up since I think like 8:45 because I had something to do in the morning. So I got up, got ready, got dressed, but it took a way shorter time than I had anticipated. I don't know, I thought it would end around this time, but I came back about an hour ago. I've just been like on YouTube searching random videos on like the best video settings for this camera because I just decided out of nowhere, I'm like, let me just vlog today. I don't know if this is gonna be a day vlog or if it's going to be a weekly vlog. Whichever it is, I'll have said it early that I don't know what I'm end up going to go with. It's all gonna depend on how much footage I manage to get today. I'm like, you know what, since I'm already up, since I'm already dressed, then I don't know, I should probably study from outside today, because otherwise I feel like it's just a waste of dressing up. Now I'm just gonna have breakfast and then maybe I'll go to Starbucks. This white balance is clearly not working for me because it's like I'm blending with the wall. Anyways, let me show you guys today's outfit. This is why I feel like I need to go, because I'm looking damn cute. So it's just this jacket. I got it on Taobao a long time ago, maybe like 2 years ago. And then I just have this polo neck. I have these bottoms that I got on Pindodo. They're literally like 17 kwai, no joke. And I have my Air Forces. Yeah, that is me. So I'm just gonna make my breakfast, and then I think I'll go to Starbucks. If I don't, maybe the bookshop or something, because I can't stay home today. I can't. Okay, hey guys, it's much later. It's 9:12 p.m. right now, and I didn't end up going anywhere today. In fact, I didn't even feel like studying. Sorry, I keep looking both at the lens and at myself. I didn't even feel like studying or doing anything really, so I just ended up filming a video today, and I even I edited it and it's done uploading. I just haven't posted it, but I am gonna post it tonight. So that's what I ended up doing for the whole day, as well as like sleeping. No, I wasn't sleeping, I was just on my bed watching stuff. And then I attended class. Right now it's 9 p.m. I have a test. First of all, I have a mid-exam tomorrow at around 4. So I think that's kind of why. I know this sounds weird, but whenever I have to study is when I start lacking motivation to study. So I think that's why I didn't really feel like studying today, because the exam is tomorrow. But I started around 7. Right now it's like 9. I just took a shower, I made dinner, and I'm about to eat, and then I'm gonna continue. I'll probably sleep at like 3 a.m. today or something. I don't know. I have a whole schedule of what to do tonight. It looks a lot, but it's basically just 5 topics, alternating between reading the notes, doing the MCQs, reading the notes, doing the MCQs, reading the notes, doing the MCQs, maybe like twice for all of the topics or something like that. So it's not that much, but it is much. But anticipating to sleep around 2-3, which is fine. I really don't mind. And then tomorrow I'll wake up like about 11. It really doesn't matter. I just need like maybe 2 hours to brush up on the content for the exam, and then I also need to go to the bank tomorrow, but that's pretty much it.
Going on, I just wanna never mind, never mind. Right now it's time to thank him. Thank you, Lord, for all you do for me, for all you've done for me, for how you loving me. Thank you, Lord, for how you care for me. You always there for me. You said you never leave. I just wanna never mind all the things going on in my mind. Never mind. Right now, just wanna thank him. What do you do? What do you do when you're going through? What do you do? What do you do?
Okay guys, it's 2:06 a.m. right now, and it's finally time for bed. I did as many questions as I could. I didn't really finish my target. But I didn't really finish my target, but tomorrow is another day because I actually want to wake up earlier than I had anticipated so that I can continue tomorrow and prepare for the exam the day of. So yeah, right now I'm just preparing to go to bed. Probably gonna catch an episode of Grey's Anatomy and then I'll sleep. See you guys tomorrow. Good night.
You said you never leave. Just wanna never mind all the things going on in my mind lately. Never mind. Right now, just wanna thank him. What do you do? What do you do when you're going through? What do you do?
So I took some time eating because I was watching Grey's, but guys, it's so cold outside and it's raining. So I don't think I'll be able to like go to Starbucks and spend hours there, but I still do need to go to the bank, so I'm just gonna quickly do that and come back. The bank is not far. It's like maybe like a 6-minute walk. I'm just scared for the rain, but I don't got no choice. And then I'm gonna come back and study for my exam, which will be after class. I think class ends at 4:30. Yeah, this is just hot water to get myself geared up to go outside. Let me just dress up proper. Guys, these little DKNY perfumes, they're everything. This is the smaller version of it. Let me bring the proper one. This is like the normal size one, but this one is almost done now. And this is almost done as well, but they're so expensive in China.
Sometimes found where it all fell apart. 'Cause I've been losing my mind. Hell, I've lost my heart. Don't know when or how it got so messed up. We started off so damn right, but you left the place that we called home. I still remember that night. I think I was never in love with you, and hell, most of the time I thought I don't even like you. I knew you just weren't right. Yeah, I was in love with someone I wish you were. Loved you, I was close, kept you just a blur. I couldn't face it, but now I do. Truth is, I was never in love with you. Truth is, I was never in love. Now that I've had a real taste, what a healthy love should be.
I just thought I should quickly tell you guys what just went down, because I feel like Chinese people sometimes really just be trying us, because sometimes I excuse the little things they say to say maybe it's just an error in Kore, like it sounds bad just because, hey, I don't even know how to describe it. Basically, when I walked in, there's a lady that usually just comes to ask, like, there's someone who always comes to ask, like, how can we help you and stuff like that. But the one who approached me today was like, what's your problem? I'm like, what's my problem? And at first I was just calm about it, because in my head I was like, wait, maybe she's just trying to say, how can I help you? What the hell is this car just following me? Maybe she's just trying to say, how can I help you? That car, where is it? Maybe she's just trying to say, how can I help you? But when I translate it to Chinese, it still sounds rude. So I don't see how that's what she was trying to say. I think she was literally just being mean by saying, what's your problem? So it's like, I don't have a problem. She's like, oh, you don't have a problem? I'm like, yeah, I don't have a problem. And she's like, oh, how can we help you in the bank? I'm like, why didn't you say that at first? Why would you say, what's my problem? I feel like sometimes they do things because they think they could easily be excused because maybe, I don't know, they don't know like good English or something. But sometimes it's really just on purpose. I don't know, it could have not, maybe it wasn't even on purpose. Maybe she wasn't trying to be rude. But I got offended. I'm like, you don't talk to people like that. But anyways, I'm outside the shop now. I just want to go in and get some milk, and then I'll go back and start studying. I'm already done at the bank, so yeah. I don't know if this one is full cream, but I usually get it in green, but it's always in English. So I'll just get the blue one just because I can see that it says full cream.
Face it, but now I do. Truth is, I was never in love with you.
Okay guys, just got back. I just got milk.
Like a quarter million bricks on
Water, basically.
So I just ended up deciding to go to Starbucks because even though it was kind of rainy, it wasn't that cold, so yeah.
Right now, don't be distracted with all the madness. Learn to heal as quick as you feel that power is magic. Don't make a habit when you're so fragile. Gotta stay in the light, keep a high vibe, don't be affected. Slow, rest your weary soul. Slow it down. Don't forget to sleep. Close your eyes and breathe.
So here I just asked for hot water from the baristas. They're really quite free with it, so I just got hot water, and then they have their sugar sachets lying all around, as well as their mixing thingamabobbies. So when I'm not trying to spend 40 kwai in Starbucks, that's what I do. I just bring my little own sachet and then get their water and their sugar and their cups, and I make myself a cuppa because why not? It's that simple. Look at how creamy it is.
Feel the power is magic. Don't make a habit. Don't run easy faggot. Gotta stay in the lane. Keep a high vibe to be effective. Slow, rest your weary soul. Slow it down. Don't forget to sleep. Close your eyes and breathe. can't think straight. My mind is rushing of words that you won't take. Notice of the way you feel safe. Everything I do, I'm too late. I know this takes more than just 3 months for someone like you. More than just your trust before I might lose. Learning all the things that make you you. My heart is beating faster than the world to keep inside. And yeah, you make me nervous, that's the story of my life. And I should be embarrassed, but with you I don't mind when I'm around you. Ooh, I'm just glad I found you. As we sit here on a blanket in the park, we write our fears. I never heard such words come out so clear. Your music found a way into my ears. My heart is beating faster than the world to keep inside.
Okay guys, I don't think I haven't updated you guys in a while, but I'm still just here fighting through my PPT. I'm on the 85th slide out of 145. So yeah, I'm also in class that side, but it's on break now. Now I'm kind of hungry, kind of want to order something, and then I'll continue. I started with the longest PPT, so it's taking me the whole day, but it's fine. As long as I finish, that'll be good. These girls are busy with their Chinese. Whose exam they have next week? Saturday?
Is she taking us? Sort of bad.
Just from getting my food, just a sandwich and a croissant. So I'm pretty much stuck outside. We've been entering and exiting the building literally since Corona started without our cards, but now all of a sudden they can't open for us unless we have our cards. So I'm stuck outside. I forgot someone's coming.
Ooh, I'm just glad I found